PDFs are still central to how we work, and 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years yet, with major updates bringing AI, performance, and smarter workflows to PDF tools. In this video, we'll walk through the latest developments in 2025, what's changing for PDF users, and how you can take advantage of these new features to work faster, smarter, and more securely. Let's begin with perhaps the biggest shift, the rise of AI-powered PDF platforms. The new Adobe Acrobat Studio transforms the classic PDF editor into a full-blown productivity hub. With Acrobat Studio, you can create PDF spaces. Think of them as smart workspaces where you can upload up to 100 documents, not just PDFs, but also web pages, Word or Excel files, and more. Then use AI assistants to generate summaries, extract key insights, or even help build proposals, presentations, or creative assets. The Verge +2 Tech Radar +2. This means PDFs are no longer just for reading or sharing. They become dynamic, interactive content hubs. Beyond summary and content creation help, Acrobat Studio lets you visually organize documents, collaborate with teammates, and pull in content from cloud storage or from other file formats. A big step forward if you work with a mix of documents and want a unified workflow. Tech Radar +1. It's not just Adobe. There are also noteworthy improvements across other PDF tools. For instance, Foxit PDF Editor released a 2025 update, version 2025.2.0, where their built-in AI assistant now integrates with external tools via something called the Model Context Protocol, MCP. With this, you can, directly from your PDF, trigger actions like creating a ticket in a task tracker, sending a document to a CRM, or integrating with business workflows without switching apps. Foxit +1. This kind of integration lets PDFs become active parts of your workflow, no longer just passive documents. For people working in business, project management, or teams that juggle many document-based tasks, this means less time switching apps and more time getting things done. There are also big wins for performance and usability. A newer PDF editor, FlexiPDF, now offers a fully native 64-bit version as of 2025, meaning it handles very large or complex PDFs more smoothly, opens files faster, and avoids slowdowns or crashes that older 32-bit tools struggled with. Softmaker.net. For users on a budget or those who prefer free tools, there's good news. The new free version, FreePDF 2025, by the same company behind FlexiPDF, has been released. It now supports tabbed browsing, open multiple PDFs at once, a modern ribbon-style UI, similar to Office apps, dark mode, basic editing, commenting, page rearrangement, and even image insertion and resizing. That's a significant upgrade for a free PDF tool, making basic PDF tasks more comfortable and user-friendly. Softmaker.net. These developments reflect a broader trend. PDFs are evolving from static standalone documents into interactive, integrated, and powerful parts of digital workflows. Whether you're a student, educator, small business owner, or working professional, 2025's PDF tools give you more control, flexibility, and power than ever before. Conclusion and takeaway for users. If you're managing documents nowadays, it's worth rethinking what a PDF tool is. With AI-powered assistants, workflow integrations, 64-bit performance upgrades, and improved free tools, you can streamline your work, reduce manual steps, and handle more complex tasks confidently. If you like this overview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll keep sharing more tips and updates to help you master your digital workflow.